Say good morning, Ada.
Good morning.
At this time, I want to invite you to stand up as we read our call to worship from Psalm 145.
That's great, but I want to buy the land. I want to have the land so no one can kick me out.